Given the slow start of putting this thing together and getting prints to actually print properly, and I've tried a few things, making some walls and bits and pieces, but not terribly successful. I then downloaded a few files from my mini factory or something, free files, and I got a whole stack of them, and I've set the printer to a fine print, and I've managed to print a random couple of figures, and they came out looking very fluffy and full of wiry wispy bits, but cleaned up and now been sprayed black and Zenitheld blue. I've ended up with these, and the only reason I picked these is because of their names. This is Felix and this is Kylie. Two of my biases in two of my K-pop groups. So today we're going to paint up Felix and Kylie. Before we start, a little sort of explanation. It's Bank Holiday Monday at the end of Whit. Whit being the English word for spring, as in autumn, and then Whit. And so it's Whit's End Bank Holiday, the last Monday of May. And it is currently about 35 degrees outside. Nice warm weather, a sensible temperature. None of this stupid cold stuff. It's currently warmer here than it is in Florida by about 7 degrees, I checked. So, Ross, my regular viewer from Florida, we're warmer than you for once. And it's likely to stay this way for a few weeks, so that's good. But I'm indoors painting for a couple of hours. I can't go outside because the Chimera is too hot, covered in fluff. So we're not going out, I'm just going to paint for a bit. And that's the massive building site that makes all the noise. Okay, so what colours? Well, I've got this box, let's put that there. I've also got these, I bought these off of Temu, I think. They're like supposed to be really pigmented. That's silver. I'm thinking that, because this is already painted blue. It's a lot of flesh tone, a lot of skin. Bum, there's legs, there's legs. She's got gloves on, jacket's very coloured. So I need flesh tones, that's the starting point. Cadmium skin, let's start there. Just add in some flesh tones to this one, and then we'll go from there. Printer marks. Hold on. I just scraped and sanded the back of that down a bit. It did look like she had torn tights on, but I hate torn tights. So. There's a gouge in the back of this leg here. There's flesh done. That's one. It's a bit of a rough job, but Kylie, yep, Felix. I keep thinking she's called Kylie. She's Felix. Right, we're trying this shiny blue paint. It's quite thick. It's not acrylic, so it doesn't water down. I'm using a not so good brush. I'm painting blue on blue, so it's just making it harder for myself. I tried silver on that. It doesn't mix water, so there's no point trying to blend it down. This would be centered anyway, I'm painting between the legs. Ah, bend the arm. It's very flimsy. I think I need some glue on that. Yeah, I had to do it. Pink. Still needs red horns, but she's gone pink. I think that'll do for now. Probably do a bit more pink on the hair. And the boots have got to have red and her horns have got to have red on them. But for now, I've had enough. Now you can barely see it. This one's easier. I think I'm done. So there we go. There is Felix, and there is Kylie. They came out okay. They're not bad. They are the first official test prints for the 3D printer. The paint job is just one coat and that's it. I just wanted to test out the chrome paints. The chrome paints are not bad. They're not acrylic, so they don't take water. And the paint job is basic, but they're cute enough, they're fun. I really was vibing Pink Pony Club all the way through, painting. But there we go, that is a successful print. I have to do more, because that printer's set up and it's ready to go. So, what's next? Well, I think I'm gonna look for a wolf and then print a wolf, and then that can go on the Red Riding Hood. But I have got to, well, I don't even know where it is, it's in the table. I've got to do Aisha and Nurgle. That is a priority. That's one that's been sat there since Christmas, and so really should do that. Videos are a little bit sparse and all over the place at the moment because other stuff is going on and it's glorious and I don't want to be sat in here all the time. But I am on TikTok every day, posting something, sharing with you what I'm doing and how I'm being creative and showing you processes and whatever. So find me on TikTok, SoloNic, same logo. It's in the link tree, which is underneath. And I will be back soon with another project. Looking over there at the random, this stuff. That's a stupid project that I set myself up on TikTok to do. So yeah, if you want to figure out what that is, go watch it on there. Otherwise, I will be back soon. Bye. It's 3 o'clock on a Wednesday afternoon and there's a birthday party going on downstairs because, you know, when do you have birthday parties? 3 o'clock on a Wednesday afternoon, obviously. So that's what that noise is. So there we go.